Hello, good morning everyone. Today is 2024 May of 10. So these are the stock will be covered by today. Let's starting with the disclaimer. All the stock mentioned in this video is serving as learning purposes. It's not buying selling call for the viewer subscriber. Let's starting with the overnight US market. Is pretty much positive for the US market. Dow Jones up by 0.8%, S&P 0.5%, and Nasdaq 0.2%. So stock future are little change after Dow Jones notched 7-day winning streaks and close higher. Dow Jones close higher, secure 7 winning days. So and US stock future edge higher as Treasury yield dips, inflation awaited. It simply means that there are nothing special for the overnight US markets right there. So we check on the charting directly. So you can check on the Nasdaq, another sideways trending day, and S&P edge higher slightly, followed by Dow Jones more stronger 0.8% higher. So maybe we check on Hong Kong index. Hang Seng Index is positive overnight. It managed to cash back for the overnight dropping up by 1.2%. So there's still a lot of potential in the Hong Kong and China market in my point of view. So if you are confident to the Hong Kong and China market for the long term, you can investing into it. So we come back to the Malaysian market. And this one, Malaysia market overnight dropped by 3 points, closing at 1601. So standing above our 1600 level. So as per my early mention that the trading range resistance would be somewhere around 1600 to 1620 level, 20 points level would be a potential slightly stronger of resistance right there. So we need to check on the how the market going. So let's starting with the stock pick by the research house, and the first one would be by M Bank, KSL. I think I did miss out for this one, so I'll do the adjustment right straight away. So KSL overnight closing at 185. So the target given would be 2 ringgit level. Then followed by 220. Stop loss level is 161. Seems to be a bit too large right there because it's more than 10%. The buying call should be emerged for the past 4 days ago, or maybe during the consolidation pullback right there. So we'll go for the next research house topic. MCE Holding today has been picked by 2 research houses. One is CGS, another, if not mistaken, would be by UOB. Later I'll go through the MCE Holding. So we're starting with the M&G first. Marine and Generals. So overnight we can see the trending is pretty much positive currently. Overnight there's a swing and price action in a positive trending, closing at 2.8. Stop loss level given is 25 cents, target is 305 and 32. Yep. So the next research house will be by RHB Sealing. So this one is uptrending back in August on September last year, and then it pulled back for the sideways consolidations for 3 months plus. So it seems to be there is a support by the moving average right there. So they are expecting for the breakout for resistance to 2.5. So they mentioned pending breakout for 2.5. overnight closing 21 cents, meaning that you need to buy around 23 cents for the breakout. You can use the feature buy stop limit order in the Maybank platform to assist you to place this type of breakout call. And the stop loss level 175 definitely seems to be too large, which is more than 20% right over there. It seems to be trading plan has some issue right over there. And the target given is 26 cents and followed by 30 cents. Okay, pretty much standard of the resistance. This one is pretty much like a U-shape right over there, and the cushion for 200-day moving average seems to be very strong. And we'll see if it will test for the recent high somewhere around 26 cents, then you're going through the 30 cents. Yep. So the next stock will be Perdana Petroleum. So it also mentioned pending breakout above 34 cents. So overnight closing, this one you can see the trending is very beautiful, going up, then resting, going up, resting, going up, resting, going up, and resting, and it going up again. And overnight closing 33 cents half. They mentioned for the breakout at 34 cents, meaning that you are buying it at 3-4 half level with a stop loss level 295. This one is definitely too large. If you are playing for the breakout, you need to adjust the stop loss higher. You need to adjust higher, so you cannot take the recent low as your stop loss level. It doesn't make sense. And then the target given is 36 half followed by 40 cents. So the next research house will be by Maybank Western Bank CMSB. So this one we can see in the big picture is in a major sideways trending. It's in a major sideways trending. I believe they are calling for this one is based on the what they call bullish divergence followed by the volume coming in. So they are betting for the bounce off for the support level. Overnight closing is 114. Stop loss level given is 104, and then target is 125 and 140 CMSP. The next stock would be Whistle World Media. Sorry. Whistle World Link Energies. So this one is on a strong downtrend. It's been very long time. It seems to be emerging for the potential reversal. I don't think it's already forming a good trending at this moment. Normally for this type of trending, you need to wait for a longer duration for the reversal. Anyhow, this one is overnight closing 3-4 half. Stop loss level given by Maybank is 31 cents. And target given is 3x and 4-3 half. Definitely by looking at these chartings, we already know that if you are playing for this type of stock, you need to be very put on a lot of patience in it. Okay, so the next stock will be FM Global. FM Global Logistic Company. You can see if you follow my morning market live. Recently there are some logistics stock is moving, so you can look into this counter as well. You can look into this. So because overnight is also seems to be there is a reversal, seems to be they are going to move 蠢蠢欲动 So this one is overnight closing 62 cents. Stop loss level given is 5-7 half. I think you can adjust slightly higher, 58 cents, and the target given would be 6-7 half followed by 7-4 half. And this one 6-7 half, okay. For 7-4 half, you need to be more patient for it. Okay. So the last research house will be by UOB Inform. Infomina newly listed stocks back in 2 years ago. Okay, so this one is on the downtrendings. They did mention technical buy on the breakout 154, overnight closing 149. This one is still on the downtrending. Stop loss level given is 138. Target is 168181. I don't like this type of stock because it's on the downtrendings. There is no obvious reversals pattern yet. Okay, and yeah, so the next stock would be Kobe. Kobe, this one trending, okay, pretty much strong. Right there, overnight volume is 7 million share traded, pretty much strong right here. So the stop loss level given is 164 and target 204 to 12. If you are trading for this type of stock, you need to wait for the pullback. You need to wait for the pullback before entry because the risk reward ratio doesn't make sense. Okay, so the last stock would be MCE Holding. MCE Holding, so there are still research house pick for this stock as I mentioned earlier, and this one will be based on the UOB trading plan. Overnight they closing at 171. Stop loss level given is 147. Seems to be too large for the stop loss. So if you are trading for this one, make sure you wait for the pullback. You wait for the pullback before you entry. Target given is 184 and 199. Okay, I believe that's all for today. So I already shared the chartings in the Telegram and WhatsApp channel. You can find the link in the description level. And if you're keen to open account, you can check in the description for the video guide you through to open account in Maybank. You make sure you key in the promo code so I can assist you later on. There's no additional charges for it. That's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.